Now we're going to show you a quick demo of one of the builds that we created for another client. And you'll see on the top left, so we have the prompt that we write on Slack. So we integrated it with Slack instead of going to ChatGPT on the website. And then on the top right, you're going to see that ChatGPT on the back end process your prompt, does the research, and then it generates the content and stores it in Google Sheets. And then it publishes on Facebook, because this is about creating a Facebook post for your company. And you're gonna see in a second. But basically, you'll see how you see. So there is our post. How easy it could be to just publish a post, and it does it all by itself. And obviously you can use it also for Instagram, for TikTok, all of the above. You can we can tweak it and we can change it based on your needs.